Hello, so today I'm going to be making a Hogwarts Harry Potter house. I can't speak in complete sentences. Why is it anytime I do anything, it just looks so bad? Some kids are just born with the artistic ability, and I was not one of them. I can't feel bad about that. I wonder why I got an F in art class last year. I didn't even know you could fail art class. Ah, my back. Oh, already being eaten alive by mosquitoes. Cincinnati, Ohio? Dang, bro. My neck hurts. Oh my gosh. It's not even sharp. Hey, you know what? We're not doing any of that. What is that? Is that an inchworm? Excuse me. I hate this thing so bad because I can't draw. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Don't know what I was expecting, but definitely not something that loud. Oh my back. Really? Are you kidding me? Oh. This is the end result for my Harry Potter Doghouse. I hope you like it. I worked super hard on it. I think it looks great. Oh my gosh, those scared the crap out of me. But yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here, silly goose. Good boy. No, we're not gonna go back for that. So this is my dog, Dublin. And I didn't choose a Harry Potter name because he didn't respond to any of them, and I didn't like any of them. Come here, Dublin. I gotta hold you. All right. I'm gonna put him in this house that I made for him. Come on, come in here. Get in there. Dublin.
What if you get in there with him?
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Looks content.
Bro, I went all the way in here, and you're just gonna walk away and try to steal my... Speaking of, I'm missing a charm.
The golden snitch?
Yes.
Golden snitch. Oh.
I found it!
Are you serious? I cannot believe you found that. That was crazy.
Bro. Little bro. Alright then, at least I can enjoy it. Did you just pass gas? Hey, don't bite me. He really does not want to do this. You know how hard I worked on that? It took me like an hour, and you're just gonna walk away from it like it was nothing? Hi, my name is your mom, and I think I'm the best little girl in the world. I'm just gonna test this. Okay, so today I'm going to be... Oh, right. Not the dead one. Okay, I'm gonna restart this just because it's good. Yeah. Oh, his breath smells like dog.
Yeah, he is a dog. Yeah, just one of them.
Right now?
Yeah.
Did I scare him?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.